Hey guys, so this is going to be a GDevelop tutorial, GDevelop 5 tutorial. This will be about the external layout. Alright, so I have a layout and I have named it scene 1. Let me add an object. So let me add an object for, let's say, a resource bar. So I have this resource bar. Let's say it will be used as a health bar or something like that as a graphical user interface. And you want this health bar to be present at all the scenes. So now if you preview, obviously in scene 1, you will be able to see this. Let me add another scene. Add a scene. I name it scene 2. So here we don't have the health bar. I can add another health bar from here, but that will be different from this health bar. So these two health bars will not have anything in common. So what external layout does is that we can use this health bar in all the scenes I want. So let's say I create an external layout and I call it, let's say, GUI. When I double click it, it will ask me to choose a scene. I'll choose scene 1. Basically, it will take all the objects from the scene I will take over here. So if I've checked scene 1, so basically the object from the scene 1 will be present in the external layout. Alright, so here this is the GUI layout and this is going to be our external layout. So let me just put this over here. Now if I want, I can delete it from here. Now if I preview scene 1, obviously the health bar is not present over here. So I'll go to event. So here we will add a condition at the beginning of the scene. Create objects from an external layout. And the external layout will be GUI. I'll put it 0, 0. And now I'll preview scene 1. As you can see, we do not have health bar in scene 1 in our editing screen, in this screen. However, if I preview it, the health bar will be here because I am creating it from the GUI layout. I can simply copy paste it in scene 2 as well. So even in the scene 2, if I preview scene 2, I do not have the health bar, and I'll tell you the reason. Because this health bar needs to be made a global object. Because only if it is made global object, then only it will be available in all the other scenes. So now if I go to scene 2, I'll get the health bar. As far as scene 1 is concerned, it already had originally the health bar in its object. However, scene 2, now it has this it has this health bar in its object because I made it global. So that was it for this tutorial. See you in the next one.